Hey, and welcome to another episode of Queen's Curry Kitchen. Today we're making a phenomenal Indian bread that comes from the western part of the country. And you want to know what it's made with? Just flour, salt, pepper, oil, and water. It's called Koki. So in a bowl, we've combined some salt, some pepper, some oil, and we've tried to bring it together till it starts forming into some kind of shape when we try to make a fist. Almost like shortbread consistency. Then we're going to add water gradually and try to make it into a nice dough. This dough will have some cracks around it, but that's okay. It's going to be a tight dough. Get your skillet ready and boil your chai because you're going to be making these on the skillet and the chai is the perfect accompaniment for it. Now make gold-sized balls and flatten them out. Rest them on the skillet till they get a little brown spot. And then roll them into flat discs. Then take a knife and score it so that all the oil can go inside and cook thoroughly through the depth of the koki. Cook it on the skillet and drizzle some oil so it's well cooked on a medium to low heat. Enjoy this with your favorite cup of chai or then even with some fried eggs. That's the way we do it. Even a cup of yogurt is actually not a bad idea. I hope you like my recipe. Join us again on another one. Do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one.